Welcome, viewers. Here I am with an excellent tip. Background removal of any picture without using professional editing softwares or any mobile app. You can change any photo's background from your mobile phone with an internet connection. You can change or replace a critical photo background just using an online tool like we see in this video. If only you please subscribe to my channel. Open Chrome or any search engine you have, and type Remove VG there. Click the first search result. Upload the picture, and you can see the processed image just in time.